If you're a web designer, developer, web marketer, SEO expert, or agency owner, and you want to add $2,000 to $5,000 a month in recurring revenue without hiring, without learning a new skill, and without changing your current services, this video is for you. Most agencies offer SEO, ads, or design, but they all miss a huge growth lever: multilingual traffic. The crazy part? Your clients are already getting traffic from people who speak a language other than English, not just globally, but also from right here in the US. And 72% of customers prefer buying in their own language. So if your client's site is only in English, they're leaving money on the table. Literally. In this free training, I'm going to show you exactly how agencies are offering multilingual websites as a simple add-on service, how they're selling it, how they're delivering it without code or developers, and how it turns into predictable monthly revenue. You don't need to speak other languages, you don't need to rebuild websites, and you don't need to become more technical. If you stay with me, you'll walk away with a clear, proven framework you can use to pitch your first multilingual website this week. Let's get started. This isn't a whole new offer. It's a simple bolt-on that you can sell immediately and add to each future proposal to increase your value and your revenue, as well as the revenue of your clients. Do the setup once, charge monthly forever, and boom, predictable revenue. Right now, about 68 million Americans speak a native language other than English, and most websites are English only. And your clients are not indexed globally, and they bounce international users instantly. That's lost traffic, lost conversions, and lost opportunity. As an agency, you can bring your clients a solution they didn't even realize could generate them more money, and that not many of your competitors are offering. Your clients want more sales, but they have no idea how to handle translation updates, global SEO, or localization. That's where you step in. And here's the kicker. Traditional translation solutions aren't very good. Google Translate, for example, isn't very accurate, it's not SEO optimized or indexed, and it doesn't do anything to increase traffic. This becomes your offer gap, something totally new to them, but perfectly aligned with the services you already deliver. You might be thinking, but our clients don't speak other languages. I hear this one all the time. One of our partners, a 3-person agency in Ohio, thought the same thing. They almost didn't try this because they knew the client didn't have any Spanish-speaking staff. But we pitched a multilingual add-on to their top e-com client anyway. Linguist handled everything. Now, 40% of that client's traffic comes from people who speak a language other than English, and they pay the agency monthly for the service. Your clients don't need to speak another language to get started. They can either translate emails for customer service or add staff as sales increase. You're not selling translation, you're selling revenue growth. Maybe you're thinking, sounds great, but I'm not a developer. How am I going to set this up? There's an agency owner I know who only builds Squarespace sites. No WordPress, no dev team. She downloaded our integration guide, installed the one line of code, picked the languages, and launched her first translated site in minutes. No dev time, no complexity. Her client was blown away. If you can install a single line of code, you can launch a multilingual site. You're not building a product. You're packaging a powerful system and delivering it to clients. I know selling a new service sounds like a lot of work, but Linguist has already worked all this out for you. One agency partner thought the same thing, but he sent a simple message to his clients. Would you like to reach new markets without building a new site? His client replied instantly, wait, we can do that? They had no idea it was even possible without a huge investment. That agency now manages multilingual SEO across 5 languages and charges $300 a month for it whilst hardly lifting a finger. Clients don't ask for things they don't know exist. Ask them, would you like to reach 5 new markets this month without new ads or a new site? Isn't Google Translate good enough? Sure, they can use Google Translate. But one partner tested Google's version on a product page. It mistranslated a button as submit damage. Yes, that actually happened. Not only does Google Translate only work for people within the Google product ecosystem, it doesn't produce actual translated content that can be indexed, and it relies on machine-based translations to keep costs down, which don't help conversions. Our AI-powered localization creates clean, natural copy, translates the metadata, and indexes properly on Google search listing across the globe. For most clients, their Spanish bounce rate will drop by 30% just in the US alone. This isn't just a translation. This is context-aware, SEO-ready localization that converts, and it loads the customer's native language by default. I know you don't want to complicate your services. A partner of ours started with a single offer. We'll translate your site into 3 languages for a one-time fee and $250 a month. Everything else was templatized. It didn't add complexity. It simplified sales. One offer, clear value. You're not complicating your agency. You're elevating it, and it rolls out in minutes. So let me introduce you to Linguist. Linguist is the system that powers your multilingual sites. You sell the service, we do the heavy lifting. Here's how it works. Choose your languages. We translate in minutes. Your client's site launches with SEO-ready language pages. Instantly. It's built for agencies, over 120 languages, glossary and brand control, real-time syncing, SEO folder structure, and automatic indexing. Anyone on your team can deliver this on any platform. WordPress, Shopify, custom sites, whatever they use. Zero code, zero developers, zero headaches. And the results show up faster than almost anything else you offer. Here's a case study. One agency added just 3 languages. In 30 days, traffic jumped 38%, and conversion in Spanish doubled. What about customer support in other languages? You're not translating customer service systems. You're translating the front end. Support can stay in English, or they can easily translate emails in ChatGPT. But if we can translate in ChatGPT, why do we need this service? Because it offers many rich features that save a ton of time, like live sync, which automatically updates your translations anytime the site content is updated. What if I don't know how to pitch this? That's why we built the Revenue Kit. It literally does the selling for you. Offering this instantly positions you as a pro. Your competitors aren't pitching this yet. It positions you as an expert, and it's recurring revenue in your pocket. Setup fees are great, but monthly recurring revenue is how you scale. When you sign up, you get the entire Revenue Kit, everything you need to launch this today. You get proposal templates, pricing calculator, a complete funnel plan, the quick start integration guide, objection handling scripts, email templates, client slide decks, suggested pricing, and our affiliate program, plus a special bonus, the Day 1 offer script. The total value is easily over $1,000. If you built it yourself, you'd spend months getting it right. But we've already got it tested and done for you. And today, it's free. We're giving it away to grow our partner program. You keep 100% of what you sell. Why is it free? Because if you grow, we grow. You could pitch this today. Send 1 email, book 1 call, and close your first multilingual site this week. Agencies are already doing this. You're not too late, but it will get crowded. Now is the time to be early. Let me recap. This is a high-margin service. It's fast to deliver. It's easy to sell. Clients love it, and you keep the profit. Click below, grab the kit, start pitching today. This is your next revenue stream, and it's ready to go.